Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to get this UGC item on Roblox, which is called Gold Glory Helm. So you can get this item for free, and this is a UGC item. You can get this for free and see how it looks. So if you want to get it, guys, you have to play this game on Roblox, and the game name is Race Clicker. Race Clicker, and just open this game and let's play this game. This is one of the popular game on Roblox, but it is really miserable if you play this game. But if you want to get free, then definitely you should try this game. And so to get the UGC item, you have to click on here, and now you have to complete these three tasks. First of all, you have to complete 2000 races. Second is reach space world, and the third one is sky river world. So once you complete these tasks, you just need to click on this claim for free, and after this your this gold glory helm will be in your inventory. That's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.